With enduring style and everlasting strength in all conditions, it's easy to see why brick offers unbeatable benefits. Here are 5 things you should know about building your future with brick. Bricks are a stylish design choice. With over 800 colours and finishes, there's a style for every design. Bricks act as a thermal battery. Brick homes are more energy efficient than homes made of cladding because they have the ability to effectively absorb and store heat energy, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Bricks are maintenance-free. They don't require any painting, coating or varnishing in order to maintain their aesthetics and durability, unlike lightweight materials. Bricks last forever. Unlike other building materials, brick will not rust, rot, fade or decay and are naturally fireproof. They have everlasting strength in all conditions. That's why Austral bricks give them a 100-year warranty. Bricks are the sustainable choice. They can be reused or recycled. One brick can have many lives, being repurposed and reused several times.